Hi and welcome, in Najitech channel. In this video, I will share with you 5 websites to improve your website's search engine and ranking. But first, search engine optimization is one of the hardest parts of running a website. The way Google and other search engines rank your website changes constantly. This means you need to keep up with the latest SEO developments if you want to outpace the competition. The good news is that there are plenty of excellent tools you can use to tackle on-site SEO and get the data you need to improve your ranking. If you know what they are and what they can do for you, you'll be well equipped for success. Think about it. When you sit down to find something on the internet, there's one place you turn: a search engine. This means if you want to get your website noticed, you'll need to ensure that it appears in searches on Google and similar sites. Most importantly, you'll want your site to appear as close as possible to the top of the list. Access to specialized SEO tools. As said earlier, doing SEO on your own requires access to a few free or inexpensive tools. Although many of these tools provide incredible insight, they're more productive when deployed alongside other solutions. For example, as helpful as Google Analytics is, you need additional tools to help with. Note: not all this website is not free to use. You can use them as trial before you buy. Follow me to see this website. You can find all this link in my blogger. Thanks for all your support. Subscribe and rating the video and leaving a comment is always appreciated. Please, respect each other in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and get notifications You will kept updated for my earliest video. Jesus bless you.